Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to clean the tub of your LG washing machine. The tub clean function helps clean the grime inside the washer tub by soaking, washing, rinsing, and spinning the drum. Keeping the washing machine tub clean can help to alleviate possibility of detergent and softener residue buildup and odors. Here is how to clean the tub. First, remove any clothing or items from inside washing machine drum and close the door. Next, open the dispenser drawer and add anti-lime scale powder, vinegar or squeezed lemon juice to the manual wash compartment. If you are using tablets can be placed directly into the drum as an alternative to anti-lime scale powder. Close the dispenser drawer and turn the power on. Then, turn the control panel knob to tub clean and press the start/pause button to begin. After the tub clean cycle has ended, use a soft cloth to wipe the door seal and door to remove any moisture. Then, leave the door slightly open to let the inside dry out. If the inside is not completely dry, it may cause a bad odor or mildew to form. And that is how to clean the tub of your washing machine. Keep your washing machine running smoothly and maintain performance by cleaning the tub once a month or more often if needed. Proper care of your appliance can extend its longevity.